Hi guys, how are you doing? So come dine with me at Parrots restaurant. So this is just a mini vlog nyana. I'm just gonna be showing you like what happened. So this is us arriving at Parrots. It's at Clearwater Mall. Yeah. So this is us getting inside, and we wanted somewhere with a nice view. So the waiter that was attending to us offered and said that we should go upstairs. That's where there's a nice view. So this is us going up. I was so excited on this day. It was my birthday. Yeah, I was super excited. So yeah, this is us getting up the stairs, and we couldn't decide on which place to sit. So yeah, we're so confused. But yeah, we got this place. That's where we ended up sitting. Yep. So this is my beautiful date, my sister. She's the one who treated me to a nice dinner. So this is the menu. Yeah, like the prices are very much affordable. They're not that expensive. This is my starter. Yeah, it was a chorizo. That's what I remember. But yeah, I had it with some hot chocolate because it was super cold that day. I was so excited. Like, I've always wanted to go to Parrots, and yeah, I got the opportunity to do so. My sister was taking a video of me eating. The starter was so good, better than the mains. I didn't like my mains. I didn't. The starter was everything. This hot chocolate was something else. It was really tasty. Like, I really liked it. Not too sweet, just the perfect, so this was our mains. I had the pasta with the steak, and she chose the spaghetti bolognese, and we had some pizza to go in between. Yep. Yeah, these were our mocktails. You guys, I wish I could go back. Like, the mocktails were so tasty. Like, I've never had a mocktail that tasted like that before. Like, they were so good. Yeah, this was my food. I didn't like my food. Like, I don't know, the meat was just not it. Like, the steak, it wasn't what I expected. So this was me. I just gone for a picture break, if I could call it that. Yeah, just took some pictures in the restroom, blah blah blah. And yeah, I didn't know, like, when I went to the restroom, my sister then told the workers that it's my birthday, and then yeah, this is them giving me some free scoop of ice cream. Yeah, they were super nice, especially waiter that attended to us, the one who was feeding me with the ice cream, she was super nice. So yeah, that was it. The ice cream was really, really nice. Yeah, I actually liked the topping more than anything. And I couldn't finish my drink. Like, I couldn't finish it. It was so tasty, but I couldn't finish it. Like, no, it was too much. Look at the glass, it's so big. And now we were done with our food and we had some takeaways. So this was me jamming inside the restroom because I liked what was written on top. Yes, queen. Yeah, it was my birthday and I had so much fun. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.